Text, UNMC University of Nebraska Medical Center. People stand around an illuminated table displaying an animated human body. Kim Michael, UNMC School of Allied Health Professionals.
This is the Anatomage table, which is a virtual dissection table. What it allows us to do is teach our students cross-sectional anatomy in a classroom or an educational setting that lets you repeat exercises so that they can better learn by practice.
She touches the table's screen. A second screen on the wall shows the labeled human skeleton rotating. Tanya Custer, UNMC School of Allied Health Professionals.
And you can rotate too.
Michael.
I think students like to do hands-on things. They like technology, so if they can come in and get their hands on something, maybe read a book, but come in and apply that information to something like this, to a dissection table, I think that really helps them learn.
Students touch the table to explore the human anatomy. Nathaniel Deeds, student.
Great tool for students, especially in your anatomy classes and physiology classes. You can use this table.
Custer.
We are learning that lecture might not be the best way to teach students, that we really need to get them, like Kim mentioned, active in the classroom. And so having the table and being able to utilize this in an active learning environment is very important. We have cases that are different. We have specialties that we can bring in, cardiovascular, bone marrow cases, liver transplant cases. So our students will have an advantage just by seeing those types of cases and being able to load those in the table.
A view of a cross-section travels vertically through the human body on the table screen. Michael.
We are working to bring new things to our institution and to our students, making us a forerunner in the educational process.
Text, University of Nebraska Medical Center, www.unmc.edu.